Microsoft Word. Identification of identification of identification of typing editor. So first load the Microsoft Word. First load the Microsoft Word. Identification of Microsoft Word typing editor. So the red color, the top of this. So the red color, this one. The red color bar there. Say, so this one application title bar. Application title bar. Application title bar. Application title bar. So on this application title bar, display application name, the package name or software name, application name. So now we are loaded here, Microsoft Word. So Microsoft Word. So display on application title bar. So then file name. So the file name. So the Microsoft Word identification unit 1. So the both are display on application title bar. Application name. So very easy. You can find out. So what package loaded here. So the suppose Microsoft Excel or Microsoft Access, Microsoft PowerPoint or CorelDRAW, Photoshop or whatever. Say you can identify from this application title bar. So this one quick toolbar. So this one quick toolbar, save, undo. So click on this arrow button. Say we can select the new, open, email, quick print. So you click on this quick print. So you can select the print. So now select this one new. So the new file you can select from here. The quick toolbar. Quick toolbar. So suppose you click this one, so you can get the new file. Right? So this one quick toolbar. This one close button. Straight away you can close this one. Or otherwise file, exit. You can exit from this. You can exit from here. Or otherwise close from here. So this one minimize button. So the minimize button, so you click on here. So the minimized on Windows taskbar. The same time you can do the other applications. So you can minimize and do this. So then click on here. Say here this one. Say now click on here, close, minimize. So now say rest on window taskbar. Say now click on here. So then you can get back. So here, so you click on here. So the Word file, you can get back. So this one minimize. So now say here this one, restore. So now click on here. Click on here. So now you can move the editor. So the different places, you can keep it the different places and you can do the work. Right? So then say here this one, maximize. So the restore button. So you click on here, restore button. So after that, you can move the screen where you need, say you can move this one. So then this button converted to the maximize. So you can maximize this, correct? So this one, close, maximize, restore, maximize, close, minimize, rest on the Windows taskbar, right? So this one, toolbar, file, home, insert, page layout, preferences, mailing, right? Say here this one, toolbar. Say when you click the main toolbar, you can get the sub toolbars. Say here this one, file, that sub functions are there. Say the home, the sub functions are there. Insert, that sub functions are there. So whatever functions, say you can select under from here, right? So the next one, vertical scroll bar. The page top and bottom you can move by this vertical scroll bar. So that arrow button, so the top and bottom arrow buttons also here, say you can click like this way, or by the mouse pointer, you can move on here. So likewise, horizontal scroll bar, I minimize this one. Horizontal scroll bar, the bottom part, the same as the vertical scroll bar, bottom part there, left and right, move the left and right, move the page, left and right. So you can scroll the left and right. You can move the left and right. Say the scroll bar, vertical and horizontal scroll bar. So next one, status bar. Say the bottom part of this. Say status bar, bottom part of this one. Status bar. On status bar, page numbers. Page 1, say 1 of 1. So the how many words are here? Right? So that you need the functions, you click the right mouse on here. And whatever you need, say you can select from here. Word count, number of spelling and grammars, say the languages. So whatever functions you need, say is the caps lock on no off, say the overtype, insert key on and off. Right? So you can select from here. Say you click the right mouse, say caps lock on and off, right? Say now click on here, the caps lock on and off. Say caps lock on, from keyboard, caps lock on. So the display on the status bar. Later we can come back to that, right? So the functions will come back to that. So now say just identification, right? So now say here this one, zoom bar, minimum 10%. You can reduce up to minimum 10%. Maximum, you can increase up to maximum 500%. Say only for the view. Right? So only for the view, right? You can increase or decrease through the zoom bar. The identification of Microsoft Word, right? So here this one, horizontal ruler. So vertical ruler. So later we can see the tab setting and others. So at the time, so we can study this one. Say the on this ruler, horizontal ruler, left margin, define on here left margin, left margin. So likewise, the right margin, right margin. So you can increase or decrease this margin size. So you can increase or decrease this margin size. Left and right margin define on horizontal ruler. So likewise, vertical ruler, top margin and bottom margin also. Bottom margin. We can define on here. So later we can see that, say how to set the margin setups, right? How to take the printout, right? So later we can study this. This is a identification only. This is identification only. So here is left margin and right margin define on horizontal ruler, right? Say the typesetting, that type of purpose, we can do the, we can use this ruler, right? So likewise, top margin and bottom margin. So this one, identification of typing editor, Microsoft Word, how to load that. So what type of functions there, what type of commands, what type of functions there, what type of toolbars there, right? Say the status bar, status bar. So the horizontal ruler, vertical ruler, horizontal scroll bar, vertical scroll bar, right? So you practice like this way. Say this one, unit 1. So then we can proceed. Later we can proceed on, sorry, unit 2.